Login failed on Robinhood App Fix. You open the Robinhood app, ready to check your stocks or crypto, but suddenly login failed. It's one of the most common issues traders face, especially during market hours. But don't worry, this guide will help you fix it quickly so you can get back to investing. First, start with your connection. A weak or unstable internet signal can cause authentication errors. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restart your router for a fresh connection. Next, check for updates. Go to your App Store or Google Play and see if there's a new version of Robinhood available. The company regularly releases updates to patch security issues that can affect login. Now, manually type in your credentials. Don't use autofill or saved passwords. If you're unsure of your password, reset it using the Forgot Password option to avoid repeated lockouts. If you use two-factor authentication, make sure you're entering the most recent code. These codes expire quickly, and using an old one can trigger a failed login. Still having trouble? Clear your app cache. On Android, open Settings Apps, Robinhood Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to remove any corrupted files. Also, temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls. Robinhood system may reject logins from masked or suspicious IP addresses. If none of these steps work, it might be on Robinhood's end. During major trading events or maintenance, login errors can occur temporarily. Check Robinhood's official Twitter or status page for updates. So, the next time you get a login failed message on the Robinhood app, don't stress. Check your network, update the app, clear your cache, and try again. In those cases, it's an easy fix, and you'll be back to managing your portfolio and watching your trades in no time.